the head of our Department of Culture and Tourism of Manila, Ms. Crystal Bagatsing.
Ang ganda naman
Ladies and
ito.
gentlemen, let's give a warm round of applause and welcome to the grand opening and ribbon cutting ceremony of the Aviary Cafe here at Capitolio. Palakpakan po natin ang ating mga guests of honor for today. It's really our pleasure to have you with us on this special milestone of the Aviary Cafe. This is actually the 4th branch of the Aviary Cafe, which started in August 2024. Yeah? With the tourist attractions in Manila Zoo. That's how the Aviary Cafe started. And syempre, ladies and gentlemen, talaga pong ikinagagalak natin na nandito na po tayo sa ating ika-4 na branch dito sa heart of Manila. Here at the Katipunan Shrine, where we can see the Cartilla of Katipunan, which is very symbolic and very historic in the history of Manila. And right now, kasama po natin ang ating mga dignitaries, ang ating mga officers from Manila. Of course, we have Honorable Mayor, okay, Francisco Isko Domagoso, together with our Vice Mayor, Angela Lechi Atienza, and the head of the Department of Tourism, Culture, and Arts of Manila, Director Armando Cristal Bagatsing, together with the owners of the Aviary Cafe, Mr. Larry C. and Mrs. Sarah C. Ladies and gentlemen, if we're all ready, kung handa na po tayo, let's all count down in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1! Let's cut the ribbon! Congratulations to the Aviary Cafe! Yes! And on this momentous occasion, yes, we are all gathered to witness this milestone. Maraming salamat po. And of course, we have our lion and dragon dances here. And yes, at this point, before we have the lion dance, we would like to invite everyone to proceed and take a look at the Aviary Cafe for the blessing by our pastor. Okay? So at this point, we would like to invite everyone. And yes, it's truly an honor to have with us our Mayor and Vice Mayor of Manila. And you know, the stores of Aviary Cafe are located strategically in the various tourist attractions of Manila, just like what we mentioned a while ago. The first store was at Manila Zoo, okay? They have the Aviary Cafe there, which opened in 2024. And the second store was located at the Clock Tower Museum. If that's good, I think we also have some tokens, gifts for our guests of honors. We will be presenting our gifts to our guests of honors at this point. Okay na. Alright, thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for the support you have given to the Aviary Cafe. The Aviary Cafe is now open to serve you all. Congratulations and thank you so much. Have a nice day. Take it away.
Anyway, Sarah and Larry and the family, congratulations to the team. And Aviary Cafe na, makakaapat na kayo. And we are very proud of them because the idea and the shop started in Manila. So you can find the Aviary in Clock Tower. You can find them also in Manila Zoo. Tapos dito sa Cartilla. And of course, there's one also in SM Mall of Asia. Doon sa area niya. So, I'm really happy and excited for the family. I've been close friend like family since 1998. Ilang taon na yun. Kasi si Harley, nakabrief lang yun eh. Kahita ko yung dalawa mga bata, wala kadakan doon sa shop ni Larry. But I'm happy for Sarah and Larry having a blessed life. Maraming challenges, but they continue to create something that will also create opportunity for our people in Manila. I'm excited for the jobs that are generated by this business. And I wish that God will continue to guide and bless all of you, your company, your people, give you that. Congratulations, David.
Thank you so
Grabe mo katingin. Ayan, sasakay na po ang ating mayor. Yun o.